Hey, stop scrolling. Stop. If you have any kind of business, I know you are facing a biggest problem to generating qualified leads. I was facing. That is the reason we have invented something for you who facing this kind of problem. I know you are spending a lot of money on Facebook ads and YouTube ads to generating qualified lead, but you are not getting qualified lead. And your money was burned and your business down. But would any tools you can use to generate unlimited qualified lead? In my right side, I am going to give you the amazing tools demo where you will learn and get exact things that you can use this tool to generate verified lead, and not even one platform. You can use Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. If you are running a B2B agency, B2B business, you can generate thousands verified lead without paying any single fee, completely free. So let's jump and show you exactly. So if you don't have a belief, let me open any profile and show you how exactly look like. Okay. So for example, this we are open these profiles and it will redirect on here. So look at on here, just 160 cases followers and like that. So here this, look at this email. So you will get similar emails. Okay. So let me click on here timer, and first let me put the keyword name on here, and here location like USA, and I need to put just 100 on here. Okay, email is monetary and source Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. You can choose anything and you can click on the Excel. Okay, let me see on here affiliate marketing 2 and choose location. So let me open on it. First done, open, and look at on here 100. Okay, so look at on here, here is 100 emails. Okay, so email 1, email 2, and it is complete real. So click on here, click any profile, you will get similar. Click any profile and look at on here, it's real profile. Okay, go back and look at coach like this and open this. Okay, so we are going to save it and save it. Okay, so look, another 300. Okay my friend, so we are going to open a sheet and we calculate. Let me hit the timer 3 minutes. From here we can copy. Okay, copy from here and we go back and paste on here, and we come back on here, we also copy this. Okay, so within some few minutes we generate thousands of lead. Okay, and let's open another, it is just one, and look, another travel leads. Okay my friends, so it's amazing. Okay, so look at on here, it is complete verified. If you don't have a belief, you just open the profile, any profile. Okay, any profile, you can open any profile and you can check the real name. And let me put this. Okay, look at it, this is real profile. Okay, and another things, let me open and look at on here profiles info, and it is contact, and it is verified, so you don't even need to get any another verified software. Okay, so it is up to 5 minutes. We have already generated a lot of 300 plus and more, 1 2 3 and 4. Let me, okay, so within 5 minutes we have generated around 1000 leads. So because we are doing multiple work, so this reason, look at on here, it is up already 5 1 4 1 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and somewhere it is just small leads, it's no worry, it is depend on your location. Okay, so this kind of leads you will generate within a second. So how it's cool. So I want you get this software, and this software literally change your life. Okay, let me open an agency like CSEO agency, and it will automatically pick up this. Okay, so look, it is already grabbing like this, it is already working. So if you want to open any agency, click on here, and it's like you want to target any SEO agency, any other kind of agency, you can do that. And also you can extract from the Facebook and LinkedIn. So how you can grab this software, it's a question. Okay, so we have another of leads, so another 300. So let me open it, and let me see how many. 23 leads again from the business coach. Okay, so copy that lead and come back and paste on here, and again with open, look it on here. It's really amazing. This, you've never seen this kind of software. We have our team develop this software, and we are going to charge a monthly basis of this software. Okay, but now if you are seeing my ads and you coming on here, then you get this software in very cheap price for a lifetime access. Okay, so look it on here. So how many leads we have generate? Around 600 in just 2 and around 4 and 5 minutes. So it is up to you, it depend on your internet connection and like that. Okay, so the question is how you can get this software. So it is very simple. You should click on the link button below, and you will visit on this actual page, and it is similar page, and you can fill out your name and details. Okay, and you can find out and you can read about this. We are just giving this software for just 999. Within like after 2-3 days later, it will automatically increase the price. So you have only limited time, and within few hours this price increase just around 2000 rupees, and after 1 day later it's 3000, like that. So okay, so you have very limited time. So click on here, and if you get a chance, then also you will get some discount. So basically this is automatically discount, so you don't need a discount. But by the way, if you get some little bit discount on here, that is good. Otherwise you can grab this. Okay, it will change your business. So go to and pick up now. Once you pick up, then this software you get instant access without any late. Okay, so go to and pick up now and access this software. It is literally change your life, and no matter what business you are doing, you can generate unlimited leads in a few hours, and you can send directly. And not only this, we also provide you some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so if you we just what forget. So look at down here, you get software plus our exclusive VIP bonuses. Our bonus number 1, AI prompt engineering mastery course. So if you can use AI to build a to learn a mastery, sales mastery, copywriting, everything. Okay, so AI prompt engineering is everything that you can learn, how you can use any AI tools. And second bonus, you will get AI copywriting mastery. If you have agency, if you have any kind of online business, copywriting is important. So this course is really important. We are selling is around $500, but you will get completely free. Plus you will get our funnel designing mastery course, where you will learn how you can design any kind of funnels, and you will charge thousands of dollars. And next course is most important. You will learn how you can do affiliate marketing, and it is complete affiliate marketing course, where you can grab emails and you can pick up the offer, and after then you can send directly to anyone, and you will make a lot of money. Okay, and bonus number 5, you will get email marketing mastery. So you have unlimited leads, so you need to learn how you can do email marketing to send leads, send emails to generate a lot of affiliate commission. Also you can sell our product and services with email marketing. And next thing, we will show you how we will recommend you one of the best software we are using to send unlimited use. For example, in 10 days you will generate 1 million leads using this software. You can send unlimited leads using this software. Okay, so pick up this. So I hope you understand how exactly work. So if you want to get this tool, we have put the link description below. You just go to check out the entire tool, and we have just keep little fee because so many people just using tools, so we charge us for server cost. So go to and check out and connect on WhatsApp, and I will give you